things to do when you are bored. Hello guys, I'm Confidence. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, you can support my channel by liking, subscribing and turning on your notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I came up with a list of things to do when I am bored after a lot of research, and I have this whole list on my notepad right here. Number one on my list, read a book. Yeah, I know it's so basic, but it never gets old. Reading helps a lot when you are bored. It's like being transported to another dimension. Read a book when you are bored. Number two, write down what you are grateful for. I know in the midst of so much problems and storms, it's so easy to forget the blessings in your life. What better time when you are bored? Those emotions you cannot express to another person. Writing it down helps a lot because you are better able to express yourself and be reminded of those things you are really grateful for. Number three, meditate. It helps a lot. Have a deep reflection. Meditate on how your life has been, the changes in your life, whether good or bad. Meditate. Number four, take a walk. What better time to take a walk, put in a little exercise than when you are bored. Take a walk, gather your thoughts together. Number five, recite positive affirmations. Yes, recite positive affirmations to yourself. Do away with bad vibes, bad negativity, bad feelings, things you want to hear other people say to you. Say it to yourself. You have all the love in the world. Tell yourself that. You don't need somebody to tell you those things before you believe you deserve those things. Say it to yourself. Tell yourself you are strong, you are beautiful, you can do anything you set your heart to do. Tell yourself that. Don't wait for people to tell you that. It boosts your self-esteem. Do it. It helps a lot. Number six, the clutter. Yeah, you have been leaving that thing in your wardrobe for so long. Those things you don't need anymore in your life. Those baggage. Do away with it. If you have old clothes, you can donate to a charity, to an orphanage. Just do away with those things you don't need in your life. You don't need those extra baggage in your life. Do away with it. Number seven, make a budget. Yeah, make a list of something you want to buy, on the amount you want to spend on. Set a financial goal. Number eight, watch a movie. Yeah, I know it's so basic. When you are bored, it's so easy to watch a movie. Watch a movie, binge on your favorite shows. Watch a comedy movie and laugh at your sorrows. Number nine, self-care. What better time to take care of yourself than when you are bored? Take care of yourself. Have a massage. Do a skincare routine. Number 10, learn a language. I should remind myself often to do this. There was a time I did this when I was bored. I wouldn't necessarily call it boredom just for boredom's sake, but I did it for the knowledge sake. It was a fun experience because I was exposed to a new language. Though I'm not perfect in it, but knowing the basics helps a lot because then it's not strange to you. Number 11, try out a new recipe. If you know that recipe you have been putting off on learning for so long, learn it. It might be strange to you, but maybe you have been seeing it, you have been hearing about it. You can try it out to see if you'll be able to achieve it. Even if you make a mistake, it's better than making no effort at all. Messy action is better than no action. Number 12, make a bucket list. You can make a travel bucket list of places you want to go, places you want to visit, countries you want to travel to. Number 13, take a nap. I know this is basic, but sometimes you can be so occupied with the hustle and bustle of life that you forget to take care of yourself. You forget to take care of your body. That you forget that your body needs rest. Your body needs rest. Even if you cannot admit it to yourself, taking a nap helps your body to be re-energized. Take a nap. Number 14, create a weekly or daily routine. Create a routine for how you want your day or week to be. It helps a lot to keep you organized. Number 15, try something new. If you know something you have always wanted to do, this is the time to try it out. Step out of your comfort zone. Crush that goal. Just do something that you know you should do, but you are putting it off due to the fear of failure. Just try something new. Number 16, watch a tutorial. You can watch a tutorial on YouTube on how to develop your life. Just watch a tutorial on something you have always wanted to know how to. YouTube has a broad library of knowledge. 17, review your goals for the week or month. Yes, you have made goals. 15, reflect on whether you have been able to achieve those goals, like so that you can be evaluate and know where adjustments should be made. Number 18, organize your living space. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Organize your living space. When was the last time you cleaned out your room? When was the last time you cleaned out your house? This is the time to do it now. Organize your living space. Don't leave things scattered. Organize your living space. Number 19, volunteer for something. You can volunteer for an orphanage, a charity event. Just touch people's lives in a positive way, any way you can. 20, do the laundry. That clothes has been sitting in the laundry basket for so long. Now is the time for you to do your laundry after you finish watching this video. 21, social media detox. Yes, take a break from social media. Just take a break to reflect. Take a break from your devices. Like, take a break. I do this a lot. It helps. Sometimes you can be so entangled in the hustle and bustle of social media that you forget how to live life. Take a break. Number 22, read your favorite blogs. You can catch up on your favorite blog posts. Listen or sing to your favorite songs. Yes, listening to music, especially good music, it helps a lot. It keeps you motivated. You also sing to your favorite song as well. Unleash the inner musician in you. Number 24, reply necessary emails. Yes, you have been leaving your email box jammed up for so long. Now is the time to organize your emails. Do away with mails you don't need anymore. Delete it. Organize your emails. Number 25, back up your files. I learned this the hard way. It was really painful because I lost my videos, my photos, my files. Like, I was procrastinating for so long. I should have done it from the beginning, but I was just putting it off. And I learned this the hard way. So don't be like me. Don't be like me. Don't put it off anymore. Back up your files. Number 26, learn or play an instrument. Yes, you can play an instrument to keep you occupied, or you can learn an instrument. There was a time I did this for a while. I was learning how to play a piano, although I didn't finish it, but I made an attempt. Number 27, hang out with friends. You can catch up with your friends, catch up on the latest events happening in your lives. Number 28, write a book. I wrote a book out of boredom. It was funny, it was a book. Though it was very short, but it was a book. It was very short, but then I made an effort. I wrote a book. Though it's not published yet, but then I wrote a book, a very short book. Number 29, visit some place interesting. Visit an interesting place or somewhere you have always wanted to go to. Number 30, organize your documents. Don't leave your documents scattered till whenever you need it. Last minute, you start rushing about to get it organized. Keep your documents organized so that whenever you need it, you can just get it without any hassle. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So comment in the comment box. Has this been helpful? Are you planning on trying out any of these? Please comment. I need to see your comment. I look forward to seeing your comments. So till next time, bye bye.